Happy Vlogmas Day 8. Oh my goodness, if you guys have not watched all 7 Vlogmas videos thus far, be sure to go and check them out. But yeah, Bianca is on the way. I am so excited to see her and hang out with her and show you guys her. She is getting so big and knows so much. It's actually crazy. And I have high hopes that she's going to talk a lot more than she did in the last video with her. Yeah, we are going to go to Target and do a whole load of shopping. She does have a baby sister on the way. I have not yet shared that news with you guys. We are all so very excited and she is due very soon. So we want to go and get her some fun little things and just shop at Target for other family members and loved ones for this holiday season. And who doesn't love a nice Target run? But especially with Bianca, it's going to be so fun and I can't wait. And we may do a time lapse of my mom and I wrapping some gifts as well. We did that last year in Vlogmas 2021 and you guys loved it. And I have yet to wrap a single gift this year and I want to very badly because I actually love to do it. See you guys when Bianca's here. That's it for right now. I wanted to just catch you up.
Rico.
Oh, Nina, you're so sweet. Oh, I can't. Like, is she kidding? Oh, preciosa. Oh. Oh my god, she's literally the cutest thing ever.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Yay! Oh.
Yummy, yummy.
¿Tú quieres uvas?
No.
¿Tú quieres besito?
No.
¿Tú quieres candy?
This.
No candy.
My. No más.
No más.
¿No más esto? ¿Quieres que yo limpio? ¿Limpio aquí? ¿Sí?
Mamá.
Dale uno a mamá.
You can't make this up.
Thank
You literally can't.
Happy birthday, dear Bianca. Happy birthday to you. Again. Yay! Beep beep.
Titi.
¿Qué?
Titi.
You want me to sit with you? Bianca, I love your shoes. Are you copying Titi? Because that's how I eat those. Excuse me. Excuse me, Missy.
Ow, wow. Zapatos.
Zapatos.
It's a wow.
It's a whoa-whoa. Oh my goodness, qué bonita. I love you. Bye. Are you so cold? Cutie girl.